Good morning, this is crane of the MCI series XCR 55L4. The problem is parking brake and video and travel. Now we can try for using push button of parking brake. And now the unit is still on engine part, parking brake. And now we can test the unit. Okay, open the parking brake, the main supply. This is a supply of parking brake. This is magnetic solenoid valve and open circuit. Okay, this is no hydraulic. Pre, start. Now the unit is on the park and can open and they start. Oh, that's ano pre? Travel. We can travel the unit, parking brake. Sige. That's why open the pressure